elegant Nivasa chose the conventional shuttering method over Maiwan technology, and how this approach benefits the construction quality and timelines.
Like if you get into the construction technology that we are using in Nivasa, we have gone for conventional shuttering. We have been hearing a lot of feedback from the customers on why not use aluminium formwork shutterings, apply conventional. So the answer closely lies in how the product was designed. So Nivasa is a podium concept, like we have 2 basements and 3 podiums on top, and then 23 stories of the building. So typically if I went with 4 basements, I would have 4 lakhs of car parking area. But because we went for the extra podium, we will have 5 lakhs of car parking area. So the question at front of us was who's gonna bear the cost for the extra 1 lakh SFT car parking area. So either our choice was increase the common area loading in the carpet area, or look at alternative technology in terms of not using the aluminium formworks and going conventional. So during a decision design and process, what we've realized is the difference for a project of this scale between formworks and conventional shuttering is about 6 to 8 months. We felt that 6 to 8 months of the difference is a very less price for the long-term game of the project. Because if you notice, we have designed Nivasa in such a way that even a 2 BHK apartment can have 2 car parkings, right? So there are 526 units in Nivasa and around 1,120 units car park units. So we felt the long-term benefits of having more car parkings is better than a 6-month earlier handover using formworks. So again, like a lot of times, the decisions that have to be made are also influenced by the market. Considering the Kollur micro market, we are looking at a price stabilized around 6,500 to 7,000 per SFT. Again, one of the reasons why formworks might be expensive in the location of Kollur. On the optimistic side, if the price hits 8 and 9, formworks are possible in the near future. So essentially, the consumer is going to bear all charges for the building that was built. But what we have done by taking that extra podium of close to 96,000 SFT is we try to take a draw from the consumer, not in terms of capital, but in terms of time. So instead of going for aluminium formworks, like typically like the Maiwan shuttering, we have went for conventional shuttering. Basically the difference, like we have talked about, is around 6 to 8 months. So we felt like it's better to transition the price of the podium into time rather than into money for the consumer.